So camera doesn't really pick it up, but at this point this trail was pretty freaking steep, and it turns out it wasn't the actual trail, but it was cleared out enough to make your way down, just very steep.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now this view after you come out of the woods, this is pretty incredible. And then yeah, so you make your way down these rocks that are super uneven. I don't recommend wearing hay boots like I did. You'll probably notice I stumble and catch myself quite a few times. But yeah, it was definitely worth it walking down here to get a little closer, because man, once you get super close to it, feeling the mist coming off of it, just taking in the view, yeah, pretty freaking cool. Just recommend wearing a little bit better shoes for this, you know.
Through the highways.
And now back across the rocks and going up to walk on the trails. The way I went back did have a little bit of some steps in the rocks, a little bit better than the way I went in, but still yeah, pretty uneven. Yeah, face plant a little bit there, not completely, but definitely a pretty good stumble. You know, one of those you might want to look around and make sure no one's watching, because hey, you look like an idiot. So the sign gives a warning about the sirens going off. The sirens were just going off when I went down there. The waterfall blocked a lot of this out, so I decided to mute the clip, and now I'm going to talk really fast to cover this real quick during this short clip. But yeah, basically just came up after the sirens were going off. Sirens give you a warning of highly rising waters.
To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat.
So at this point, we're just going to walk around on the trails a little bit and keep going over to the left to check out more of the waterfall so you can see it from the side in different angles. There's a nice little stream running through here. And I'm deciding to just leave the sounds and without the music for the rest of this so you guys can take in a little bit more of the vibe.